अभिमन्यु, क्या तुम ऋषु और रानी के बीच आ जाओगे? रानी ऋषु को जुगनू बुलाती है। क्यों?
कि इतने वॉट की रोशनी देख के एकदम फुस।
Exactly. What a memory.
पागलपन की हद से ना गुजरे तो वो प्यार ही कैसा, क्योंकि होश में तो रिश्ते निभाए जाते।
आपकी कब हो रही है?
हाँ बताओ।
मुझे टाइम है अभी। अभी तो मैंने शुरू किया है अपनी
क्या करना
जिंदगी।
नील का प्रोफेशन क्या था इन पार्ट 1?
To seduce रानी।
Also, sensuality or sexuality on the forefront. I'm not that person in real life. And I am my own person. He is his own person. I can be Haseen for 1.4 billion people, and he can be a kick-ass athlete for the whole world. Knowing hotness or sexuality, it's looked at as very manly thing to do. When a woman tries to do that, she becomes a vamp. Or she becomes a slut.
आंखें बंद करके बताइए, which amongst you is uncomfortable to talk about their relationship publicly? We are all pointing at Sunny.
अभिमन्यु रानी जी से प्यार करते हैं।
अच्छा, आप भी? रादर आप भी? YouTube Brutus. मुझसे बेहतर कोई है जिसने पार्ट 1 देखा है?
मैंने नहीं देखी।
चलन से न चाल से मोहब्बत वालों की परख करो
दिलों के
हाल से।
हाय क्या बात है, बहुत मजा आ गया। हाय एंड वेलकम टीम हसीन दिलरुबा।
Thank you very much.
फिर आई हसीन दिलरुबा। गाइस हाउ एक्साइटेड आर वी?
मैं भी आ गई।
I like how Tapsi and I both have these flowers. I'm going to start by, let's just get straight into it. You're new.
I'm new. You're absolutely right.
You are new. Okay. ये ऋषु और रानी की कहानी जो है,
जी।
okay, ये हमारे दिल का एक हिस्सा है बॉस। ऐसी गंदी मोहब्बत।
जी।
How do you call this मोहब्बत? What do you call it? Like गंदी मोहब्बत?
पागलपन की हद से ना गुजरे तो वो प्यार ही कैसा, क्योंकि होश में तो रिश्ते निभाए जाते।
क्या बात है दीदी?
काम करो, 4 डायलॉग पिक्चर की और मारो, स्क्रिप्ट खुल जाएगी।
We're going to do this for fun, all right?
Okay.
I'm going to
I'll
ask you
try,
questions of, you got to take your character names before you answer. So Rani, Rishu and Abhimanyu,
Oh, nice.
ठीक है? The first question is, Rishu और रानी की कहानी कौन से शहर में बसती है?
पार्ट 1 में 2 में?
पार्ट 1 में।
बनारस? नहीं, अरे नहीं यार, कौन से शहर में बसती है?
Come on.
ज्वालापुर।
Jwalapur is the right answer. Please take your own name, your character.
रानी
Jwalapur. All right. I love part 1 because in part 1, in the beginning in the film, when the two of them meet, रानी ऋषु को जुगनू बुलाती है। क्यों? अच्छा।
कि इतने वॉट की रोशनी देख के एकदम फुस।
Exactly. What a memory. What a memory.
उसके लिए कुछ दवाइयाँ भी थी।
याद है तुझे?
आलोक आ रहा था बालों के लिए। और
आर्निका। All right. Your third question. ऋषु कहाँ काम करते थे?
जल बोर्ड पे?
रानी के दिल में।
Yes.
Next one. This is one of my favorites. Part 1 का क्लाइमैक्स कौन से नॉवल पर बेस्ड है?
कसौली का कहर।
मैं एक्चुअली पता क्या सोची थी कि सही में कोई रियल नॉवल पे बेस्ड है। मैंने वो जो हमने फिक्शनल नॉवल बनाई है उस
पे based है ना।
वो सोचा ही नहीं मैंने, कहा कौन से नॉवल पे बेस्ड है यार? कनिका ने ये तो नहीं बताया था मुझे।
देखिए हम यूनिवर्स के अंदर ही
हाँ,
हैं।
हम यूनिवर्स के अंदर।
First of all, I just want to say I hate Neil even today. Like, you know, it takes a lot. Sorry, Harshvardhan, I love him. बहुत अच्छे लड़के हो तुम, लेकिन इस फिल्म में, I mean, I just hate you. Like, वो सारा गुस्सा मेरा वापस आ गया। Thank you यार, तुमसे मारा
अरे मारा इसने तंगड़ी लेके।
टंगड़ी लेके।
All right, our next question.
टांग उठा के मारी है।
Oh my God. My next question is, नील का प्रोफेशन क्या था in part 1?
To seduce रानी।
Also, he used to teach rafting.
Yes, absolutely right. Okay. Do you guys remember any one way in which Rishu tried to kill Rani in part 1?
हाँ
I of course remember ये
ये गैस से छोड़ना या फिर वो सोप का स्ट्रिप छोड़ दिया था।
Absolutely. It was crazy, guys. I just want to say we have revised part 1 and I think it's for everybody. I think everybody did well. Everybody got at least one answer.
Yeah.
This is for you, Rishu. Welcome back.
Thank you.
This is for you, Rani. Welcome
Thank
back.
you.
And this is for you, अभिमन्यु.
तुम न्यू हो.
न्यू
अभिमन्यु, क्या बात है.
Wow.
Thanks.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है. I think a lot has happened since the film. Okay, and I must say that you all were in different places of your lives, and it's so amazing. You, okay, were not a father when you shot part one.
Yes.
You were not married when you shot part one. When you look back, how have the last 4 years been for the two of you guys? Honestly, मेरी audience को बताओ, they love you all, यार.
Yeah, it's been phenomenal.
है ना?
Yeah, I mean, professionally, personally, it's been, you know, the best time of my life. And thankfully, by the grace of God, touch wood, it's only getting better each day. तो क्या ही बोल सकते हैं? अच्छी फिल्में कर रहे हैं, अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. I'm a father now, and शादी भी हो गई. तब मेरी शादी नहीं हुई थी.
हाँ, मैं तो भूल गई.
Part one के टाइम नहीं हुई थी.
शादी भी हो गई, बच्चा भी हो गया. एक आध फिल्में भी लोगों ने पसंद कर ली हैं. तो अच्छा ही चल रहा
बिल्कुल,
है.
यार.
दोबारा आपसे भी मुलाकात हो गई है.
यार,
Wow,
फिर आई.
icing
big
on the
fan,
cake.
by the way.
Icing on the cake.
Big fan.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. It's so nice to meet you. You know, in between these two films, it's just lovely. Congratulations, Taapsee.
मेरे साथ.
Taapsee, people were scared of you back then. People are scared of you now also.
Nothing has changed. Just like life
What a-
before
what a
and after
character.
marriage. No, even life before after marriage, nothing has changed.
पता नहीं मिठास के साथ में शादी की है, किडनैप किया. You, I want to marry you. Come here.
I also do want to take a minute to tell you that Taapsee, it's so beautiful. It's so graceful the way you conduct your personal life.
Oh, thank you.
It was wonderful to see,
I love
and
you too.
congratulations. Congratulations, because you know our Haseen Dilruba is someone else's Haseen Dilruba now.
Oh God.
है ना?
But I don't like this. Uski ho gayi. I just maybe coming from that.
दीदी.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. मतलब मैं उसकी थोड़ी ना हूँ यार. I am my own person. He is his own person. I can be Haseen for 1.4 billion people. I should be, and he can be a kick-ass athlete for the whole world, and he should be. मैं उसकी नहीं हुई हूँ. वो मेरा भी नहीं हुआ है. We have just decided to have a great party and celebrate our relationship.
No, I like the privacy around it, and you chose to keep it that way. Is there a reason why that's important to you?
Yeah, because लोगों को press release की बहुत आदत हो गई है. I think this was marriage is a very private personal moment. मेरे जो वो 100 लोग थे, including the Danes and Indians who came to the wedding, were the ones जो मेरे last 10 साल में हम दोनों की life का हिस्सा हैं. Friends and family, relatives and all of that. And मैंने honestly कोई effort नहीं किया था ऐसा secret रखने के लिए. It just so happened because I chose to involve only those people who knew us directly, from the people who organized it and also वो मेरे friends and family वाले लोग ही थे. तो ऐसा नहीं था मैंने आगे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड लगा रखे हैं. मैंने कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं लगाई थी. मतलब ये था कि it's supposed to be a private and a personal event. Let's keep it like that. और मुझे ये while I'm getting married मुझे वो शूटिंग वाली फीलिंग नहीं आनी चाहिए कि अच्छा फोटो में कैसा आ रहा है, अच्छा वीडियो रिलीज करनी पड़ेगी इसके बाद तो फिर वो आई होप ये वाला मोमेंट सही आ जाए. हाँ मतलब ये रील के लिए 15 सेकंड के लिए ठीक रहेगा कि 30. I didn't want to have all those hang-ups in my mind when I'm probably one of the most pivotal or milestone-ish moment of your life. So I wanted to be very clear कि ये मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ है, which I have been over years, कि this is my personal life and it will not overlap with my professional life.
Yeah, because a lot of people were like, "Who's this guy?" Like,
I you know
इसलिए मैं कह
actually
रहा हूँ किडनैप की.
I feel sad for those people who don't know who this guy is.
Exactly.
And I don't want to come out and tell people कि अच्छा
Yeah.
just because he's not a cricketer, he's not a big businessman, so you don't really feel like knowing. This is the guy who's probably one of the biggest achiever in badminton in the world.
Yeah.
And right now are probably responsible for where our men's badminton doubles has reached and probably the best
India.
medal
In India.
contender. The ones who don't know about him in media, which is actually one of the reasons why I didn't spread. It was not like मैं छुपा के उसको एकदम मतलब मुंह कवर करके अंदर लेके जा रही थी घर में और बाहर लेके आ रही थी. मतलब मैंने किडनैप नहीं किया था.
That is not impossible to imagine.
Sunny's laughing there.
I love it.
इमेजिन भी कर लिया मैंने. उसको मुंह पे ऐसे कवर डाला. मतलब लोगों को इंटरेस्ट नहीं था यार उसके अंदर. मैंने उसको कोई छुपा के नहीं रखा है. वो अच्छा लंबा चौड़ा बंदा है, वो काफी विजिबल है, वो काफी चमकता भी है सफेद सा. सो उसको छुपाने का आसान नहीं है इतना.
I love it. Congratulations, nonetheless.
Thank you.
आपकी कब हो रही है?
हाँ बताओ.
मुझे टाइम है अभी. अभी तो मैंने शुरू किया है अपनी
क्या करना?
मोहब्बत?
जिंदगी जिंदगी
अभी तो ये न्यू है.
अभी मैं न्यू हूँ.
अभी मैं न्यू हूँ.
नहीं मुझे टाइम है यार, मैंने अभी तक सोचा भी नहीं है.
बहुत प्राइवेट रखते हैं आप भी.
जी. like Taapsee ji, I'm following
Taking
Taapsee ji's
cues from me.
footsteps. Yes. Even I believe that your till you are ready to bring it out to the world, it should remain private, and I like it that way. You know, there's a certain charm. उसमें एक अलग सा charm होता है to keep it private. Yes.
हो रहा चाम.
वो तो
चाम हो चुके हैं ये चाम.
हाय. मुझे लगा कि देखो क्योंकि रानी और ऋषु दोबारा से लौट के आ रहे हैं.
जी.
Okay, I think it would be great if
जी.
the two of them can give Sunny या
Yeah.
Abhimanyu some sort of love/marital advice.
of course.
We are the last
What?
people who should-
Yeah,
No,
I
no,
we are
swear.
the last ones who should do that.
What would you give? अरे ये न्यू है.
हाँ.
न्यू को कहा क्या? अभिमन्यु. So
मैं क्या ही बोलूं यार. I mean, just
अब कुछ बदला सा बोल
जियो
देगा
और जीने
ये.
दो यार. That's it. जियो और जीने दो.
Best.
जियो और जीने दो.
जियो और जीने दो. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
मैं क्या एडवाइस दूं यार? एज रानी तो बिल्कुल, एज आई सेड, नीशू रानी को एडवाइस
बिल्कुल
किसी को नहीं
नहीं.
We are
देनी
the
चाहिए.
last people who should.
हाँ, एज तापसी मैं क्या एडवाइस दूं उसको? या आई मीन ही इज प्रीटी मच ऑन दैट ट्रैक. या बी श्योर, कीप योर पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ वेरी सेपरेट. इफ यू वांट इट लॉन्ग टर्म, अगर जल्दी पीछा छुड़ाना है तो फिर तू मिक्स कर ले.
Nice,
That's a good
nice,
idea.
very good.
I'll keep that in mind.
Tapsi, what does becoming Rani give you? Because I feel that you're as invested in this as anybody else would be, but this Rani is a little dear to you.
Yeah, it is, because it kind of helped me prove a lot of things wrong, not just to everybody else but to myself.
जैसे कि
जैसे कि I never imagined, like everybody else, never imagined myself to be playing my sensuality or sexuality on the forefront. I'm not that person in real life. So having done that for camera, it was kind of like awakening about something in me that I never really tried. So that was courtesy what Kanika had written. Put me like a fish out of water. And so the second part mein, I approached it on front foot.
Nice.
Because by that time I had realized कि yeah, matlab it's working. So let me just push it a little more. So first में I was a little jittery in terms of कि पता नहीं लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा. It's not an ideal casting for me to do something like that. So you're self-doubting also. So the success of that film gave me so much of strength, confidence, courage that okay, तो second part approach करो उस तरीके से. दूसरा, now you have a franchise that where people are not just looking at the film but they want to see what you're going to do next, which doesn't that happen that frequently in our film industry. So I think that was very big confidence booster for me after I did first.
Yeah. Thank you. And I think that's so important. I think what I take from that is that women should not be afraid of their own sexual power, sexuality, because I think that we should celebrate being a woman in that way.
Yeah, if it's a man showing hotness or sexuality, it's looked at as very manly thing to do, a very masculine thing to do. When a woman tries to do that, she becomes a vamp. Or she becomes a slut, or like that. So it's a very weird kind of a distinction of sorts. So I remember this was kind of questioned by someone in France. In some festival I went to in Europe. I was asked this question by the audience after they saw Manmarziyan. Okay, how did you end up portraying this character with so much of she's not apologetic about her sexual desire in the film. And I was like, someone never really asked me this question, but it was like, you're not being shy. And that's the woman writing woman who's not going to shy away from this being a very important aspect of herself.
Wonderful.
That was explored differently in Manmarziyan and differently in this one. So it's the same woman who wrote.
Yes, we like sex. Thank you. Yeah, a lot. Ooh. It's a radio interview. I went back to the film and I must say that there might be an entire audience now because, that's the way our industry works. I mean, something works and they're like, oh, wow, Vikrant Massey, you're the hottest thing in the world. Have you felt that?
Yeah.
मुझे बताओ, how desired have you been in the last 7 months, Vikrant Massey?
वैसे professionally it's happening a lot. Professionally there are a lot of people.
खुश है आदमी.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
मैं desired हूँ.
Professionally,
हाँ
मतलब
जी.
12th Fail was not a film जहाँ पे physically or as Vikrant or as the character वो इतना flamboyant था नहीं. But professionally there are so many writers and directors who now suddenly want to work with me. And there are so many of them who would not even respond to my messages a few years ago have suddenly sort of taken a liking to me. So which is nice. I like it.
That's
it's good.
nice. It's lovely. I went back to the performance and I must say that I thought it was very unhinged. मतलब थोड़ा सा मतलब पता नहीं अगर ये आदमी मिल जाएगा तो क्या करेगा. एक unpredictability है which I think in part 1 that you really enjoyed playing.
I loved it.
I loved it. It was amazing.
Like that turnaround when he actually loses his bearing, saying कि now I'm gonna get back to her because she's broken my heart and she's disrespected me, she's broken my dreams. वही जो sequences की मैं बात कर रहा था where he tries getting back at her, वो मुझे बड़ा मजा आया करने में. Because as an actor, nobody actually saw me that way. Like how Taapsee said, it was actually not a conventional cast. Like I do tend to have this boy next door good boy image. और किसी ने मुझे कभी कनिका के अलावा उसके पहले देखा नहीं था वैसे.
बिल्कुल. शाहरुख खान बन गए तुम बाजीगर से.
And it was so much fun. It was so much fun. Like even those sequences जहाँ पे छत पे जो हमारी argument होती है, where I tell her मैं छोड़ दूंगा तुम्हारा हाथ और मैं फेंक दूंगा यहाँ से. He was wanting to get back at her. वो बदला लेना चाह रहा है, वो express भी करना चाह रहा है, वो he's heartbroken. There was a gamut of emotions happening. तो वो मजा आता है करने. And Vinil and Kanika had written it beautifully on paper, but Vinil Matthew, the director of the first part, I think he treated it so beautifully, and I can very proudly say कि इसके पहले ऐसे switches या ऐसी chemistry between two lovers कभी किसी ने देखी नहीं थी.
बहुत मजा आ गया.
मजा आया.
Also one of the best lines in that film was for me, हम जैसे लोग ना दिखते नहीं हैं. And I think that's what stayed with me, that if the regular guy tomorrow goes unhinged, he goes crazy, then he could do anything.
Yeah,
so,
that's the scariest.
Yeah,
the quietest people are the scariest ones. Yeah,
हमसे कोई नहीं डरता. All right, we're going to play a game. Are you ready for this one? You got to close your eyes. Okay, all of you have to close your eyes.
No.
Oh no.
चश्मे निकाल दीजिए और आंखें बंद कर दीजिए. To point at each other जिनके लिए ये applicable है.
अच्छा, अब now I understood.
You can point to me also.
अरे वाह, lovely.
You can point to me also, no problem.
All right.
Okay, this is the team of Phir Aayi Haseen Dilruba. Who is most likely to call someone by their incorrect name?
I can. मैं आँख
Really?
क्यों बंद कर दिया?
Can I point at myself?
Yes, you can.
Same.
Okay, आंखें बंद करके बताओ क्या होता है जब कोई आता है और कहता है पहचाना.
क्या होता है?
ये होता है.
Bro, बहुत ही awkward
Yeah,
situation होती है.
this too has happened. I'm sure with all of us.
Yeah. आप बताइए क्या होता है?
पहचाना.
पहचाना.
तो मैं तो बोल देती हूँ नहीं पहचाना.
मैं भी बोल देती हूँ नहीं. Sorry.
What I try to do is I try to play detective.
Oh.
Yeah, so I go like, "Arey sir, of course."
अरे यार, ये वाला नहीं खेला जाता
And
मुझसे.
then I try to crack a conversation wherein, like, जहाँ पे वो बता देंगे कि अच्छा ये हुआ था, and kind of understand where we had met and get out of the situation. Sometimes I fall flat on my face.
आंखें बंद करके
yeah.
बताइए which amongst you is uncomfortable to talk about their relationship publicly. Point.
Or pointing at myself.
We are all pointing at Sunny.
I'm pointing at myself.
Cute.
What are you saying?
अरे यार.
Yeah, I'm awkward. मैं क्यों करूँ बात?
नहीं, but at least you admit, ना?
हाँ, अब तो शादी बच्चा हो गया सब कुछ.
There is a problem if he is not admitting.
But then there are so many people. I mean, when they are intrusive, ना. अब बताइए, how is it like being a father? आपका बच्चा क्या करता है? I'm like, okay, stop.
आपका बच्चा क्या कर रहा है?
Stop.
देखिए अभी उसने अपनी डॉक्टरेट खत्म करी है.
बच्चे क्या करते हैं? Alright, आंखें बंद करके मुझे बताइए आप में से कौन है सबसे ज्यादा रोमांटिक?
Can I point at Taapsee?
Me?
Please कर रहे हैं. क्या यार, मैं तो खुश हो गई 2 सेकंड के
I
लिए.
pointed you.
Vikrant is saying the right thing.
I
मैं
think I
हूँ.
banged my head.
I
I am.
even without knowing you that well, we can say हम तीनों तो
I'll
नहीं.
also point at you then.
आप लोग क्या यार? What is this? I'm thinking this is the most romantic series ever, like this film series.
Yeah, it
And
is.
y'all are not romantic. Thank you very much.
I'm very romantic.
Okay, then there's a contest about who's the most unromantic.
मतलब ठीक है मतलब
I don't know.
midway.
Yeah.
Tapsi's pointing to herself.
Yeah. Which is why I'm pointing at Tapsi because
Sunny is pointing to Tapsi.
because I knew she would point at herself.
Yeah.
It's a safe
Unromantic. Yeah, even I'll point it.
What? Okay, hang on. Open your eyes. Open your eyes now. Tapsi Pannu, तुम पे इल्जाम है कि तुम unromantic हो.
Yeah, I'm maybe yeah.
ये तो मिठाई से पूछ रहा हूँ यार.
Hi.
Yeah, I think it is.
They
a
can
little.
try, they can try, but they can't beat us in unromance. Guys, I am so happy that you guys came down. I'll tell you why, because there are some films that change the course of your life. Okay, I don't know if this is that film. You can't tell so soon, but I surely hope it is, because we need great movies.
Thank you so much.
The movies impact our lives, and that's why I'm so grateful you guys came back to my studio. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you for having us. It was a lot of fun.
Thank you
hope
so
I come
much.
here again.
Thank you
And
so
big
much.
fans. Big fans.
Big
Sir,
fans.
please.
Seriously.
Oh my
हम
God.
तो कितनी बार मिल चुके हैं पहले बट फिर भी I'm repeating myself.
Hi, this is Tapsi.
Hi, this is Sunny Kaushal.
Hi, I'm Vikrant Massey and I am with Rotox.
Rotox.
Road Talks, and she's just
She's just
She's just too filmy.
too filmy.
too filmy.
Just too